Guys, welcome back to the class. Now there is another error on the screen, and that error says company code RCC1 is not assigned to a field status variant. Okay, and if I would like to see the message number, so company code RCC1 is not assigned to field status variant, and message number is FH075. It is clear from the error message that field status variant is missing for that particular company. On my screen it is for RCC1 and it might be different for your in your case. Okay. To resolve this error, we need to have one more window where we can resolve the error. So maybe I'll create another session here and I'll go to SAP Error, then go to the implementation guide, click on the financial accounting new, then financial accounting global settings new, then open the global parameters, enter global parameter, and this is the same screen where we have maintained some informations like chart of accounts previously while creating the enterprise structure. So we are on the same screen now, and click on the position button, search for your company code, double click on the company code, and under processing parameters I can see there is a field status variant. Okay, uh, if you have any specific field status variant, you can choose that, or by default maybe I can pick 0001. Once you enter it, press the enter button and try to save the records. You need to provide CR number here. Perfect. So let's wait for system response. Now I can see data has been saved now, and I'll quickly go back. Great. I am on the SAP Easy Access screen now. If I'll go back to the previous screen where I had error, so now what I'll do, I click OK, and if I click on the create button, now there is no error. This is how we can resolve the error that pertains with the field status variant. Okay. I hope it would help. If you like the video, then please hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe my channel. The point here is do the practice. In case if you have any kind of question or any kind of query, please feel free to use chat section, and or you can also use the email address so that I can respond appropriately. Till the time, thank you so much. Stay healthy, stay happy. Thank you.